Alrighty, sometimes you just gotta keep some things a secret. Nonetheless, Tundra Twister has been topped off, if you want to call it that, but the engine and the first two arms that come out of it, the rotating part, has been installed. All that's left is the two arms that come out and the gondolas and then the platform itself. Again, the ride is hooked up to the electrical system. Obviously, it's not on, and there's probably a few more details that need to be done. But Vortex is also getting painted today. This is all filmed on Good Friday, so you can see there painting the support. And you'll also see in a second the color of Vortex that they have chosen. There you go. They have gone with red. So all they are doing is repainting it the exact same color. So if you look right heading into the brake run, you'll see the new vibrant red. And then right there on that turn over or right next to Timberwolf's exit platform there, the exit queue, whatever you want to call it, they're painting there as well. So a pretty large team working on painting today. They were also painting some of the rails and buildings in Planet Snoopy and Kidsville. So lots of refresh going on. But yeah, it was truly exciting to see Tundra Twister being topped off. And definitely seeing the paint. This is the pump house for the water park. It's definitely looking a lot more modern now. The old one was definitely showing its age, so this is pretty cool to see. Splashworks is set to open in time, and so will Super Soaker. I'm trying to think if there's any other bit of information. I know I already told you guys that I am hearing very confirming / great information about Behemoth being painted for the 2024 season. So that's really awesome. Behemoth is next from what I'm hearing through the grapevine. And there is the storage lot for Snoopy's Racing Railway and Tundra Twister, definitely looking a lot more empty. Anyways, thanks for enjoying today's update. Hopefully you're having an amazing long weekend. Have a good one, guys. Bye.